welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get free Instagram followers using mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more videos.